a building.
To our
Hi, to
left.
our left. And to my right
Yes.
is your left. So you can see there's in Taiwan there are population of you know that already because it's in the map. And here are the buses are double like this, like kind of double. No pictures, please. And there are many massage here because Taiwanese loves massage. Loves massage, and there are many like convenience stores here. And this is the this is a
Municipal
building, no?
Junior High School.
Yeah, this is a junior high school. It's called
Taipei Municipal.
Sing
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 Sing Sing.
Sipon Singa Junior High School, and it's in your right.
Yes, correct.
Yes, very good. And I would like to you to meet our board of judges, Miss Inday. Miss Inday is one of the tourist spot of Taiwan. And of course, food here is really tasty. And we went to one.
Show us where.
We will text you later about all the details. Together with the mangoes, together with bed sheets, they're all together. And the men here are, if you want to buy, there are only for sale, and there are half price. If you want them, it's oh, yeah, there you saw that. You see that? Yeah, that is an old man walking, and another there. Yes, in your New Delhi restaurant. Yeah, this it's Indian cuisine. Yes, and of course, if you want to eat, you can eat there. And if you want to change money, oh Watsons, oh my God, we have Watsons in the Philippines, and but Watsons 24 hours like 7-Eleven. We have also 7-Eleven here in Taiwan. The estimated